Have you ever felt that shaky, weakening muscle feeling when carrying groceries or climbing stairs? It's scary, and I get it. But here's the truth, it doesn't have to be your future. You've probably heard eggs are the best muscle food, but that's only half the story. There are foods out there that pack way more protein, the kind your muscles really need after 60. Take Greek yogurt. Creamy, delicious, and packed with gut-friendly protein. It helps your body absorb nutrients better. Chickpeas? They're full of fiber and muscle-supporting protein that keeps digestion smooth and inflammation low. And quinoa? A tiny seed with a punch of complete protein, giving your muscles all 9 essential amino acids to rebuild and grow stronger. Switching to these foods can make a real difference. Imagine feeling stronger with every step, regaining energy to enjoy your favorite activities without worry. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one of these power foods today, add it to your favorite meal, and give it a try. Share how you feel. I'd love to cheer you on. Let's keep each other motivated and strong. Because staying strong after 60 isn't just a dream, it's a choice. And that choice starts with what you put on your plate. Did you know the Greek yogurt sitting in your fridge right now could be a secret muscle booster? It packs a powerful punch, about 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's even more than a boiled egg. Greek yogurt is strained and creamy. That means it has less sugar and lactose than regular yogurt, making it easier on your stomach. This is a big plus if you're over 60 and digestion feels slower. Studies show seniors who eat Greek yogurt often keep more muscle and feel stronger over time. It's like a gentle muscle booster you can enjoy every day. Try it plain or add fresh berries, crunchy nuts, or a spoonful of flaxseed for extra flavor and health benefits. Just a quick tip, watch out for flavored yogurts loaded with sugar. Those added sugars can work against your muscle health and energy levels, so plain is usually best. So next time you want to give your muscles a little extra love, reach for some Greek yogurt. Your body will definitely thank you for it. Ever walked past a can of chickpeas without a second thought? These humble legumes are muscle-supporting superstars. Chickpeas pack about 11 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's even more than a boiled egg. But there's more to chickpeas than protein. They're loaded with fiber, which keeps your digestion smooth and your blood sugar steady. Less inflammation means less muscle loss as we age. Plus, chickpeas are rich in magnesium, a mineral your muscles need to contract properly and recover faster. Without enough magnesium, muscles can feel tight and tire quickly. Here's a simple tip. Soak chickpeas overnight before cooking. This helps with digestion and lets your body absorb more nutrients. Try adding cooked chickpeas to salads, stews, or roast them for a crunchy snack. And, like with any food, prepare them in ways that keep their benefits intact. Avoid too much salt or heavy oils. So, next time you want to naturally boost your muscle health, give chickpeas a chance. Your muscles will thank you. Have you heard about quinoa? It's a tiny seed with a big protein punch, about 14 grams per 100 grams. That's more protein than eggs and many other plant foods. What makes quinoa extra special is that it's a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own, the building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow stronger. Quinoa is also rich in lysine, an amino acid that helps with muscle repair, calcium absorption, and collagen production, all key to staying strong as you age. Here's a handy tip. Soak quinoa before cooking. This reduces natural compounds that can make it harder to digest and helps your body use the protein better. For cooking, try swapping water for bone broth or vegetable stock to add extra minerals. Sprinkle in some turmeric and black pepper for a gentle inflammation boost. You can enjoy quinoa in warm grain bowls, mixed into veggie stir-fries, or even for a savory breakfast. Toss in mushrooms, greens, or a soft-boiled egg for a filling, protein-packed meal. Just 3/4 of a cup a day can make a real difference in muscle recovery and energy, but only if you keep it up regularly. So next time you want to power up your muscles, give quinoa a try. Your body will thank you. Pumpkin seeds? Have you ever thought about pumpkin seeds as a muscle-boosting snack? These little seeds pack a serious punch, about 19 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's nearly double what you get from a boiled egg. But pumpkin seeds don't stop at protein. They're loaded with magnesium, iron, and zinc minerals many seniors need to keep their muscles working well. Magnesium helps your muscles contract smoothly and prevents cramps. Iron makes sure your muscles get the oxygen they need to stay strong and recover. Zinc plays a key role in repairing muscle tissue and supporting your body's recovery. One study found that eating pumpkin seeds daily can cut muscle inflammation by up to 38% in older adults over 12 weeks. That's huge, because inflammation can quietly break down muscles over time. For the best benefits, choose raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds. Sprinkle them on salads, mix them into yogurt or smoothies, or grind them into a creamy, protein-rich seed butter. So next time you want a tasty, simple way to support your muscles, reach for pumpkin seeds. Your body will thank you. Have you heard of tempeh? It's a fermented soybean product packed with protein about 20 grams per 100 grams, which beats eggs hands down. But tempeh isn't just about protein. Because it's fermented, it's easier to digest, a big plus if digestion slows down as you get older. Tempeh also contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein your muscles can actually use to rebuild and stay strong. Plus, it's rich in leucine, an amino acid that kickstarts muscle growth. That's super important after 60, when our bodies need extra help building muscle. Here's a bonus. The probiotics in tempeh help keep your gut healthy. Healthy gut means better digestion and better absorption of all those nutrients your muscles need. Cooking tempeh is simple. Try slicing it thin and pan-searing it with a splash of tamari or apple cider vinegar for a rich, savory flavor. You can crumble it into stir-fries, layer it in sandwiches, or toss it over salads. So next time you want to add some muscle-friendly protein to your meals, give tempeh a try. Your body will thank you. Spirulina. Have you heard of spirulina? It's a tiny blue-green algae that packs a big protein punch, about 29 grams per 100 grams, nearly triple what you get from eggs. But spirulina isn't just about protein. It provides all 9 essential amino acids, so your muscles get exactly what they need to repair and grow stronger. What makes spirulina extra special is its anti-inflammatory power. It contains a unique compound called phycocyanin that helps lower inflammation, a hidden cause of muscle loss as we age. Spirulina also boosts nitric oxide levels, which improves blood flow. Better blood flow means nutrients reach your muscles faster, helping them recover and stay strong. You don't have to eat a lot to get the benefits. Just a teaspoon added to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or energy balls can make a difference in strength and recovery. Some of the best science profiles of endurance and strength benefit are sleep, energy balls, and more potent insomnia. So next time you want a simple, powerful way to support your muscles, try adding spirulina to your routine. Your body will thank you. Have you tried hemp seeds yet? These tiny seeds are a protein powerhouse, packing about 35 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's one of the highest protein amounts you'll find in plant foods. What makes hemp seeds really stand out is that they're a complete protein, with all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and maintain muscle. They're also packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, including a special one called GLA. This fatty acid supports joint health, reduces inflammation, and helps keep your mind sharp, all super important for staying active and independent as you age. The best part? Hemp seeds are super easy to add to your diet. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, stir them into smoothies, or toss them over your favorite salad. Just a quick tip: avoid cooking hemp seeds at high heat, as this can break down their delicate oils and reduce their benefits. So next time you want a simple, nutritious way to boost your muscles and joints, reach for hemp seeds. Your body will thank you. Have you heard of seitan? Sometimes called wheat meat. It's a protein-packed food made from vital wheat gluten. It contains about 39 grams of protein per 100 grams, one of the highest amounts you'll find in plant-based foods, even beating most meats. What makes seitan especially good for seniors is how easy it is for your body to digest and absorb. During processing, most starch and fiber are removed, leaving a concentrated protein source that's gentle on aging digestion. Seitan is low in fat and carbs, making it a smart choice if you're managing weight, blood sugar, or cholesterol. Plus, it's super versatile. You can slice it, grill it, pan-fry it, or roast it with your favorite seasonings. Here's a quick tip. Pair seitan with vitamin C-rich veggies like bell peppers or kale. Vitamin C helps your body absorb the iron in seitan better, boosting muscle health and energy. So next time you want a hearty, muscle-friendly protein that's easy to digest, give seitan a try. Your muscles will thank you. Have you ever noticed how Parmesan cheese isn't just tasty, but also packed with protein? It contains about 42 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's more than most cuts of beef and twice the protein in milk or cottage cheese. What makes Parmesan extra special is that it's aged for months, sometimes even years. This aging breaks down proteins into smaller pieces called free amino acids, making it easier for your body to digest and absorb, especially as we get older. Parmesan is also rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a key role in triggering muscle growth. Just a small amount, like a few tablespoons, can help kickstart muscle repair and keep your strength up. Try adding freshly grated Parmesan to warm dishes like roasted vegetables, omelets, or whole grain bowls. The gentle heat helps release its natural aroma and flavor, which can also help boost your appetite, something many seniors struggle with. So next time you want to add a flavorful, muscle-friendly boost to your meals, reach for Parmesan cheese. Your body will thank you. Have you ever heard of dried fish powder? Dried fish powder? It's made by dehydrating lean fish like cod or pollock until all the water is removed, leaving behind a fine, protein-packed powder. With about 63 grams of protein per 100 grams, it has nearly twice as much protein as eggs and even more than chicken breast. What makes dried fish powder a powerhouse for seniors is how quickly and efficiently your muscles get the fuel they need right away for repair and growth. We've included graphic semi-sad body portraits of two big gray fish muscles in the PDF to help you visualize the food right away. So far, we've conditioned a small pond and we put in the same amount of protein as it took, which means your muscles get the fuel they need right away for repair, and it's also rich in leucine, the amino acid that signals your body to start building muscle. Most older adults don't get enough leucine from regular meals, but just 25 grams of dried fish powder provides plenty to kickstart muscle growth. The powder blends easily into soups, stews, mashed veggies, or even savory oatmeal. It stores well, doesn't spoil quickly, and is perfect for those who have trouble chewing or low appetite. Just make sure to pick a food-grade version without added salt, flavors, or preservatives to keep it healthy and natural. So next time you want a powerful, easy-to-use protein boost, try dried fish powder. Your muscles will thank you. Now that you know there are plenty of foods with more protein than eggs, it's clear that staying strong after 60 is within your reach. From creamy Greek yogurt to powerful dried fish powder, these foods aren't just protein sources, they're tools to help rebuild muscle, boost energy, and keep you independent. Even small changes, like adding chickpeas to a salad or sprinkling hemp seeds on your breakfast, can make a big difference over time. The key is consistency and choosing the right foods that work for you. So, which one will you try first? Pick a protein-packed food from this list and add it to your next meal. Then, come back and share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how it goes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more senior health tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Remember, staying strong after 60 isn't luck. It's the choices you make every day about what you put on your plate. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health and strength.